what if you don't need the shred paper?
And then we fill everything up so that there's no real food in it, right? We don't want it.
Right.
So what are we going to do in here? Do you remember?
Normally we, get more items and put it on our grocery.
Right, we haven't started this shop area yet. We're probably not going to start it till after the new year, but we are going to have them. This is going to be our mock grocery store, so the students, we will give them a grocery list. They'll come shopping in here. This is our checkout station that we're still working at. We're going to get a software so they could scan the items. So maybe somebody will be the cashier here so they could make it seem like they're actually at the grocery store. We'll use money to make change and do a bagging station. They'll have to restock all the shelves. And that's pretty much it. But we probably won't start that till after Christmas.
Well,
We're slowly working. We're slowly trying to build it up from what we had, which was nothing. But it's good. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the way out.
Eggs and sausage and wow, yeah.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.